Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about an umbrella stroller that is not folding at all or not folding up easily. I'll be going over some easy fixes to try first in this very simplistic tutorial. So as you can see right over here, this is an umbrella stroller, and I actually have a good amount of experience with an umbrella stroller that doesn't fold because we did have two on our vacation. They were both older ones that, like we just borrowed from family and friends just to use for our vacation purposes. And this one worked fine, but the other one actually didn't fold. It was really, really hard to fold it. And when I did get it to fold, it basically didn't do it properly. So I learned a lot about how to get them to fold much more easily. So these are essentially 5 things that you can do to hopefully get your umbrella stroller to fold up, okay? So number 1 is you need to ask yourself, is it unlocked, okay? So essentially, with your umbrella stroller, if you're trying to fold it like this and it's not working, you gotta understand that it locks in place. There are usually at least 2 locking mechanisms. I almost couldn't get that out of my mouth there. There are at least 2, for the most part, locking mechanisms. They might look slightly different depending on the umbrella stroller that you're using, but there's usually going to be one on the bottom and one on the top of the back of the stroller. So essentially, and I'm just going to make sure you can see this on camera. Yes, you can. So essentially, there's going to be one on the bottom that usually you're going to have to push to the side and up, just like that. That unlocks that. And the second one's going to be up here that there might be a handle or it might just be a bracket, but usually you just got to pull it up or backwards and up, just like this. And now that I've done that, it is unlocked, right? I couldn't fold it before, but guess what? Now that it's unlocked, I can fold it very, very easily, okay? Just like that. So I'm going to lock it again just like this. Let's clip this down as well. Make sure that it's unlocked. That is the first thing that you need to do. And if it is unlocked, then you can move on to the second fix, the second potential fix, which is to look at, does anything look bent or warped? Now, these bars all work together. So when you are actually going to, fold it up, okay, all these bars collapse together essentially, as you can see. They all collapse together. So if one of them is bent or warped, it's going to give you trouble with regards to folding it up. And that was the case with that other umbrella stroller. I have it off here to the side. I'm not going to bring it on camera, but it's over here essentially. You know what? Why not? I'll bring it on camera. It's not a big deal. So this one over here, one of the bars was bent and warped, and essentially I had to essentially unbend it in order to get it to work. So, and what happened, by the end of the trip, the last day of the trip, I couldn't get it to close. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to try and, we didn't need it, because this is my in-laws, so my wife's parents. They found it on the side of the road, I believe, and then just took it as a just in case. So I just kind of kept bending it, and eventually I bent enough, this part snapped off, right? But the first maybe 20 times that I closed it, it was because I had bent the bars in place. So it does work, but like I said, if you're bending the bars over and over, you might end up, you getting rid of the stroller in that sense. So just be prepared that, you are weakening it. But it does get it to close for the most part. I did probably close it about 20 times before it ended up breaking. And it, honestly, it's really old. It was already, someone was already throwing it out, like I said. And just to be clear, the whole thing still works fine. Just one little piece broke off. One of the rivets broke off. Okay? But anyways, you want to look for anything that's bent or warped. Now keep in mind that these bars are likely going to be bent anyways, purposely. So they're not straight. They're usually, because they're hinged, they're usually going to be curved, I should say. So look for anything that looks unreasonably bent or warped. And that was the case with that stroller. And honestly, we were done with it. My in-laws said, just throw it out when you guys get home from the trip, even if it still works. So I kind of just said, okay, I'm just gonna collapse it because we needed the space in the van. But if you do it carefully, you can bend it properly and get it closed and stuff like that, okay? As I did, like I said, the first 20 times or so. If there's no bars, sorry, that one dragged on a little bit too long because I brought that other stroller into the picture. But if there's no bars or hinges that are bent or warped, you can move on to the third potential fix, which is to put a bit of lubricant on the hinges. Now, both of those umbrella strollers, so we have 4 kids, my wife and I. We have 2 older kids, 6 and 4.5, and then we have twins that are they're about to turn 2 at the time of me filming this. By the time it's released, they're probably going to be much older because I do my stuff in advance. But anyways, that's besides the point. So we had 2 of these umbrella strollers, okay? And they both would barely move. Literally, they would flip it it was so hard. And what I did was I got a little bit of WD-40, but I got the silicone-based one, not just the regular WD-40, and I sprayed it on all of the hinges, all of the wheels, and honestly, throughout the trip, For the most part, they worked fantastically well. This one was perfectly fine. That one was a little bit iffy, but still worked way better than before I put the lubricant on. So by putting some lubricant on it, you might loosen up or grease up those hinges and therefore allow it to close a little bit more easily, or close at all if it's not closing at all. Okay, so that's fix number 3. If that doesn't help you out, you can move on to fix number 4, which is to look at, does any specific piece of it look stuck? And that was another key. The first time that I couldn't fold that other umbrella stroller, there was one specific piece that was stuck, and I found it and I folded it. When I fixed it and got it unstuck, I was able to fold it. This was the piece on that umbrella stroller that was causing me difficulty. After I sort of bent it back into place and unstuck it, whatever you want to call it, it worked perfectly fine. So look for a specific piece that's stuck. What you can do is kind of just bend the bars a little bit, see what is moving and what is not moving, right? So obviously this one works fine, but if it wouldn't close, then if it wouldn't collapse, then I would look for a specific piece that's stuck. These bars are moving fine, but these ones are not moving fine, then obviously your problem is going to lie somewhere here. And then you can start narrowing it down from that point onwards, okay? And if that doesn't help you out, you can move on to the last fix, which is fix number 5, which is to ask yourself, and this is a hard, humbling thing to ask yourself, are you doing it properly? And I'll tell you, when we first got these umbrella strollers, I honestly didn't know what I was doing. So I was trying to fold it, and I just wasn't doing it properly. You need to understand, to collapse it, you need to unlock both of the locking mechanisms, okay? You need to lock the one over here on the bottom at the back, and then the one over here on the top at the back, and then you need to collapse it. And if the rear wheels are locked, then you might struggle. So when I collapse it, I like to unlock them. This way it's a little bit more easily collapsible, as you can see right there, okay? And then if I'm opening it up, I'll lock the wheels when I'm opening it, okay? But yeah, that's essentially it. Ask yourself, am I doing this right? Is it being done properly? Like I said, you might think you are, maybe you're not doing it right, I don't know, but it's just a good question to ask yourself. And that is essentially it. If your umbrella stroller is not folding properly or not folding at all, those are some easy fixes to try. First, if you like this video, tutorial/instructional video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.